By show of hands, who knows what these are? Okay, most of you. By show of hands, who can solve a Rubik's Cube? Nobody. Oh wait, one person? You actually can? No? I'm sorry. So I do. Man, you're gonna have to put down your beat to join me up here. The moment that you get up here on stage, everybody's gonna give you a huge round of applause and bring them on up. Hey. Great. Awesome, great. Stand right there. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take this Rubik's Cube. Right. You're gonna take it behind your back. We're gonna mix them up as much as you like. Here's the thing. I'm gonna mix mine up. You mix yours up. The moment you want to stop, you just say stop. We'll both stop. Sound good? All right. All right. Perfect. I'm gonna make eye contact the whole time.
Intense eye contact. Yep. All right. Stop.
Okay. I'll take it. Now, here's the reason why I had you mix the cube. Because it's very easy to tell things about somebody's personality based on the patterns on the cube. And based on this pattern, I can tell that you are a psychopath. Here's the thing. There's actually a real reason why I had you do this. There are over 43 quintillion different patterns that you could mix onto a Rubik's Cube, which basically means that every living human on Earth would have to mix up 7 Rubik's Cubes each just to potentially get 2 sides of 2 cubes to match perfectly. To put that in perspective, it would we have more odds of everybody in this room winning the lottery than we do of any 2 sides matching perfectly. So when I show you that first side, matching square for square, that might be a coincidence. Side number 2 is a little harder to dismiss. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. That's all 6 sides of the cube that you mix, matching the cube that I mix. But here's the thing. I hear everybody saying, that's pretty good. But come on, magic boy, solve it. So that's what I'm going to do. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt to solve that cube, but I'm going to do it in a special way. I'm going to do it from memory. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to check out these 2 $50. In a moment, I'm going to use those to blindfold myself, so make sure that you can't see through it. Good? Perfect. Okay.
Right,
That's
pretty solid.
All right, good. I was afraid you were going to actually jam them in your eye. Only idiots do that. Hold out your hands just like this. Perfect. Yeah, I think I can do it. Okay, here we go. Of course, we aren't just going to use these $50. I do have something else. Duct tape. Okay. Well, we gotta hold them on my eyes somehow. My mom's so proud of me. Now, the world record for trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, I believe, is a little under 9 seconds. I'm not gonna lie. My record's a little slower than that. But I am at my personal best. 45 minutes. Don't be a juggler. I'm afraid for what was on your hand. I get paid for this. You're probably going to have to hand me that last one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you're still there, yeah? Okay, perfect. Hand me. I'll just the cube. Yeah, perfect. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to take your hands and press the tape up against my face. That way you know that it's nice and good and tight. And, okay, or poke my eye. That works too.
I mean,
Okay, happy with that?
Yep.
Perfect. So, I have one last question for you before I send you back to your seat. What square in the center is facing forward on the cube?
Yellow.
Yellow. Perfect. I'm going to send you back to your seat. All this applause is for you. Alright. Here's what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm going to attempt to solve this cube while blindfolded from memory, one-handed, while turning around for no other reason than I can. Here we go.
Alright. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Now I have just a few follow-up questions. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Am I still facing the audience?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, is the cube fully solved?
Yeah.
At least why are not more people clapping? I hate this
Don't
part.
do it.
Oh,
Don't do it.
Oh,
Don't do it.
oh.
It's gotta be a nice way to do
Okay.
that.
Oh.
You're gonna lose your eyebrows though.